Okay.
Alrighty.
Yeah. I want to play.
Oh my.
Let me play.
Alright, you get the first night.
We're playing Five Nights at Freddy's. Yeah, if we make it past the first
You're
night.
gonna make it past the first night.
We'll see.
It's not that hard.
We're playing Five Nights at Freddy's 2.
The scary one.
The scary one.
What do you think? Do you think this is the scariest one?
I think all of them are scary because I'm a huge pussy when it comes to scary games.
I think the scariest one for me that genuinely scared me was the fourth one.
I have to pee. I should have peed before we
Take the microphone there.
Oh, yeah.
You should. I have to pee, and then it cuts to just the fucking you pissing.
No. Alright, I'm playing.
Got it?
Playing FNAF with a full bladder.
Yeah? Piss yourself?
The episode where I pissed myself on camera? Yeah.
Right. We don't have a camera. You dumb nut.
Pissed myself on audio?
Hey, look, there's a FNAF character on your TV thing.
What? Oh, yes, there is. I have a Circus Baby figurine on the mantle.
Mantle. Fire. Cool.
Nothing's happened yet.
It's because the first night's boring.
I don't know. Last time I played this game, which was last night, I died on the first night.
Did you?
Yes.
How?
Chica.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I got really into it.
What do you mean?
You know exactly what I mean.
I always hated fucking Balloon Boy. He's the only person I didn't like.
Oh
no.
I'm doing okay so far. I'm not like.
Where's he at, dude?
I
You're not
don't.
checking.
I'm checking right now.
Check the lights, man. Check the lights. Oh wait, do you lose power when you check the lights?
I don't know.
Because you have your flashlight.
I don't know. Okay, you're stressing me out.
Oh, there he is.
You're stressing me out. Too much going on.
Well, do you only lose the light bar if it's on your... Do you lose it on your...
I don't know.
Come on, dude.
I'm not the FNAF.
You used to, like, brag how good you were at FNAF in school.
I used to be pretty good.
But now you're not. Now you're just a scared little guy. There he is. He's getting closer.
Yeah, God, my heart is, like, racing already.
Is it really?
A little bit.
It's in the middle of the day. It's not dark out. Maybe I'll play this tonight.
Yeah?
Yeah.
I think... Oh, no, Balloon Boy's still there. Okay, we're good.
He's in the hallway, dude. He's in the hallway.
No, he's not.
Imagine.
Yeah, I can. Actually.
What game is it where you can shut the vents on them? Can you do that in this game?
No. I think that's 3.
Is it 3?
I think.
He's in the vents, buddy.
No, he's not. He's not in the vents.
Wait till he pops up. You're gonna get scared.
No, I'm not.
You're gonna get scared.
Look, not in the vents. I don't get scared. I'm a man.
You got fast nights on, don't you?
No.
Do you? You didn't sound very...
I don't think I do anyway. Okay, we're good. We're golden.
I'm kind of scared too.
Are you?
I'm just waiting for him to pop up.
I know, right?
In front of us.
Oh my god.
It is kind of scary,
isn't it?
Yeah. Just a little.
Oh!
Right,
I saw you jump in real time.
I didn't expect them to be there. It's scary that you can't see them until you hit the light.
Isn't it though? So stay right there. God, I feel so anxious.
Right?
I'm
kind of scared.
I know. This sucks.
You remember the...
Oh, shit, okay.
Is he there?
Yes,
I missed
he's
him.
there. He's there.
Oh.
Hi.
You remember the night after our homecoming?
Yeah,
all we
played
did
FNAF 2 for the
That's it. No girls, no party. We just went and played FNAF together. Oh my god.
High school. Why are you flexing right now? They can't see that.
We're in fucking games, buddy.
They'll never know.
Imagine. And they'll never know what we look like either.
I'm sure someone will find out.
How did she get there?
I don't know.
Wasn't she just at the thing?
She was.
Damn, you should have fucking removed that mask.
Yes, sir. Oh, I'm not ready. I'm not ready.
Don't you just gotta wait for him?
Yeah, but I gotta check the music box and there's other stuff going on and it's... I don't know, man. I'm freaking out.
Alright, check the music box.
Okay. It was terrible advice.
He saw you, dude. He totally saw you.
No, he didn't. No, he didn't. No, he didn't. Don't put that in my head.
Damn, where did he just come from?
I thought we're on night 1, dude. How are they so aggressive? Go away!
You gotta hit it, dude.
I gotta hit what?
The music box.
I'm hitting the music box.
Okay, get your mask on. Put it.
Mask off.
Fuck it, mask off.
Wonder if we can just chill here until
Right.
6 a.m.
We should play the VR one.
No.
Wouldn't that be?
Oh. Yeah.
Hey, there it is. Ooh, that was kind of. Can I get the second night?
Yeah, go for it.
I gotta get the controls down though.
Yep.
You're shaking. Why are you shaking?
Because it's scary.
It's scary. Oh. Where you at?
Is that both
Lennon?
of them gone?
No. Maybe. Oh God. I don't like how she removes her beak. Okay.
I don't really fuck with it either.
I like the beak.
The timer's gonna be up before
Night 2.
Before night 2 ends. We should have paused.
Put your mask on. I don't know how. Hey.
Hello.
Hey, Toy Chica. Toy Chica Rule 34.
Don't say that.
Guys, look that up.
Fellas at home and ladies at home, pull up Toy Chica Rule 34.
Aww.
Pull up Mangle Rule 34 while you're at it.
Someone's in the vents.
I still have to pee so bad.
Oh, they're both of them.
Dude, oh shit, you're fucked. You're fucked.
No, I'm not.
You're so fucked right now. You're so super fucked.
Hello.
Hello. God. It's not as scary when it's not me, I will say.
I know, I'm kind of.
I feel,
my heart's bumping.
yeah. Is it?
Mm-hmm.
Uh-oh.
Someone's in the hallway because it's not letting me look at the light.
I know. It's Foxy.
Oh!
It's Foxy.
Wait, how do I get rid of him?
I don't remember.
It's like this. I gotta. Oh, no. You gotta flash your light at him.
I don't.
Because he's the only one that knows.
Is that right?
I'm pretty sure.
Oh my God.
I'm freaking out.
I'm
freaking out.
Uh-oh.
I don't know how to get rid of her.
I don't know. Oh.
Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck. The music box. The music box.
Oh.
Come on. Leave me alone.
God. You hear it in my voice?
Yeah.
Oh God. Oh.
He's right
Check
there.
Check your camera. You gotta wind up the music box, right? Hi. Hey. Oh my God. No, you gotta put the mask on for Mangle, dude.
I didn't know they could both be there.
I don't know, dude.
I didn't know. Get out of here. Get out of here.
Pull up your camera.
Fuck.
Oh.
Fuck. I'm like so scared I'm messing up the controls.
Okay, you're good. You're good. We're good. Everything's good.
Everything's alright. Everything's alright. Come on.
Oh my God, yeah. Dude, we're almost out of time.
I know.
We can't have a FNAF episode with no jump scare.
I know, but we're
Editor line and throw up a jump scare.
You're right.
And another one.
Another one. Hello?
That sounds bad. Whatever's happening, it sounds bad. Oh,
there's bolts.
Oh, body. That actually scared me.
Yeah, me too. That got me. That got
Oh my God.
It didn't take her long at all.
Oh, I'm gonna throw up.